Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I'm so excited to show you this soda alternative. Zevia soda is just what I was looking for. I was looking for something that didn't have artificial sweeteners or artificial colors. So this is perfect since it's 0 calories and it's literally sweetened with stevia. It's also delicious. Who doesn't like that sound? I know I do. So finding this strength is perfect. I feel guilt-free whenever I'm consuming it, and I can consume it at any time of the day, when working, when doing anything, since it doesn't have any calories. Zevia comes in various flavors that are all delicious, sweetened with stevia without any artificial colors. If you're avoiding sugar, this is the way to go. I highly recommend the Zevia soda, but that's just my point of view.